it is very important we consume alkaline disease fighting smoothies like this to form that disease fighting barrier in our system. We are so exposed to environmental toxins, chemicals we consume each day unknowingly. You need to consume smoothies like this, which are alkaline in nature, to help fight those diseases. If you are already someone with any of those diseases, alkaline smoothies should be your friend. Consume them to help fight those diseases in your system. Very healthy, tastes so good in the mouth, loaded with so many vitamins and minerals for the glow of your skin, and equally so filling you can have as breakfast without so many calories as well. So you can carry it to work, share with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy. So let me not waste your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this yourself at home. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, and share with your family and friends so we can all live healthy, looking vibrant, and yeah. So in order to make the so many benefits smoothie, that is to detox your system, fight diseases because it is alkaline in nature, and cleanse your system, the first ingredient you need is lemon, and we are using one whole lemon, both the fruit and the peel. That is because the peel of the lemon is what contains that fiber we need. So you need that fiber in your system to help speed up your metabolism, so you can easily flush out any disease or illness from your system, aiding you lose weight as well, supporting your system to detox itself. So many benefits. And lemons are highly rich in vitamin C. The peel contains calcium, potassium, which is so healthily needed for your system. The second ingredient you need for this smoothie will be banana. So I love me some banana. Bananas are my favorite. I can't make my smoothies without banana, most especially breakfast smoothies. I always add in banana because banana is so filling. I want to consume my smoothie as breakfast and only feel like eating by 2. So that is not only the reason. Bananas are loaded with vitamins and minerals as well. Very nutrient dense. It is rich in potassium, manganese, so healthy. So what you need is one banana. You want to peel your banana and slice into sizes that you can easily blend in your blender. So this smoothie needs a blender because of the lemon peel. You have to blend. So always do not throw your banana peel. As I always say, just use it to rub your face with, most especially underneath your eyes, your mouth, where you can experience wrinkles. This is so good at fighting wrinkles. So these are the first ingredients. You slice your banana in sizes that can easily blend. The third ingredient you want to add is either apple or cucumber, but I have 2, so I'll be using half of each. But if you have just one, if you have just cucumber, you can use. If you have just apple, you can use half an apple. So I'm using half of each because I have both of them. So these 2 are highly alkaline in nature with so many disease fighting properties, anti-cancer properties. They help to regulate your blood sugar levels. So good at hydrating the skin. So many vitamins and minerals. An apple a day takes you away from the doctors. It is not a lie because it has so many disease fighting properties. So these are my cleaned apple and cucumber. So that bowl is alkaline, like health in a bowl. The next thing you want to do now is to dunk all your ingredients in your blender. So I'm adding in 1 cup of water because that lemon peel needs to be blended. So you can put gradually, not just put all the water at once. It's just because I have an industrial blender, but you have a small blender, you put the water like just put gradually, so it blends everything for you. So if you watch my videos, my smoothies, you know I love me some ice. I like adding ice in my smoothies so they can be chilled in the mouth and not just flat. When you add, when it's a bit chilled, or like not freezing cold, just chilled, it tastes so good differently in the mouth. So yeah, you make sure to blend to get a very smooth consistency, as you don't want to put in like whole fruits in your mouth, something like the lemon. You want it to really be smooth, so you take your time and blend so you don't get those food particles or vegetable particles in your mouth. This is so healthy. Like if you don't do smoothies, just get yourself a blender. This is how you put in nutrients into your system. This is how you nourish your system. This is how you fight diseases from your system. This type of smoothies form disease fighting barriers in your system. Helps fight that diabetes you have, high blood pressure. This is so good. The lemon peel in here is like wonders you need in your system. It regulates that sugar level. It neutralizes the banana, because banana is to give that cute sweetish kind of beautiful flavor, but not really high sugar. This is so healthy for everyone, no matter what you're sick of or you're not really healthy. So I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.